In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. So first, what you want to do is open up your Facebook app. Once you have opened up your Facebook app, click on Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. From there, go to See More in Account Censure and then go to Personal Details, then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then you want to click on Deactivation or Deletion, and then you want to select account you want to permanently delete and then choose the delete account. And be warned that deleting your account is permanent. So when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you've shared on Facebook. Your main profile, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. What that means is once you click the button, everything is deleted that instant. It's very hard to recover an account that was deleted. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.